been always waiting for, and all the tourists they've been asking for also. This is a beautiful place. It's not just a place to come shopping, but it's also a beautiful place to come to the restaurants and enjoy the sunset. It has beauty, glamour, everything that you can possibly look for is here.
Interesting story. My sister-in-law actually moved down to St. Thomas about 6 years ago because she was inspired to open the store by her dog Monty. We're still here 6 years later, so there's obviously a lot of other dog lovers out there too with the same intentions as Stacy.
Well, I know that we have a couple of puppy models here in the store, so I was hoping we could bring out our first model.
Sophia's wearing our purple polka dot dress, and the nice thing about that particular dress is it's a harness style. So it's very functional. You don't necessarily have to put an ugly harness on top of it when she's wearing it, but it's a way for her to sort of express her love of purple. Well, Titus is going with a similar idea. We do use the Velcro closures on his sweater in much the same way, and with Titus we added a little bit of extra bling on top. He's got the Swarovski collar on so that it goes quite nicely with the very debonair sweater.
And it's very important when you're in the islands to have your designer.
It is.
Designer
crucial.
sparkle.